What's up? How's it going? We're out and about. We're not really recording from home or the streets. We're recording from a Dollarama. I'm gonna be heading over to Dan, a buddy of mine you guys have seen before in one of my older vlogs. We went to the Vancouver International Motorcycle Show, or the trade show, which was here in the city at the TradeX. Well, we're meeting up in about 20 minutes to go for a ride. Ride where? Not sure. He's gonna be in the lead while I follow. How's it going? Long time no see.
Yeah, tired, lazy.
It's just
Where are you heading today?
wherever you want.
I don't care.
I honestly have no clue. I thought you'd lead. Oh, I guess we're off to White Rock now. First time I've been there. Squeaks. Held up on my way here, so I'm good too. Literally, look, no fence whatsoever. That's the American border right there from Canada. Literally take a few steps and you're on the other side. The border crossing right here. I have the 2022 R7. I think Dan's is a 2022 MT07, or it could be a 2024. I can't remember. It's either 22 or 24. It does the same thing too. It just goes straight line. Hold on to the throttle with just one hand. Like, honestly, 2 years ago, 1 year ago, I wouldn't even imagine I'd be doing this. I'd be out with another person, like just going out for a ride, and we meet other bikers there and all that stuff. Like, things change, and I'm really happy about this. Honestly, bike life has made me more friends than even cars did when I was doing car stuff. Like, in the car scene, there's more toxicity, I feel like, from what I noticed when I was in there. Also, could have been because I had a V6 Mustang. See, that's part of toxicity too. It's still a car. The V6 of that year made pretty much the same horsepower as the newest GT stock. I wonder where all these cars are coming from. They're just using the back roads like us. See in this video how much of the wind noise comes when I'm going on the back road, and I'm not going over 100. I'm just going like 70, 50 to 80 kilometers an hour. See how much wind noise comes up from this helmet. If it's still terrible, then yeah, it's time for an upgrade, man. It's time for a new helmet. Okay, at the moment, could you please give me a call back in like an hour or so? I'm currently on my motorcycle at the moment. Yeah. Okay, awesome. Thank you very much, sir. random call of the sales reps, man. The one time I actually answer because because I'm on my motorcycle, right? My parents know I'm out, but they don't know where I'm going because I don't know where I'm going. So in case they call, I'm connected to Bluetooth, then I'll answer them. And sales reps, man, freaking sales reps. I know they're doing their job, but hey, I'm enjoying the vibe, riding. I don't wanna. Oh, hello. I guess we are in White Rock. Look at this. Holy. Now that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Damn, good choice of location, man. Let's see what. Dude, good choice. I've never been here before.